All right, everybody, the new stuff keeps rolling in. 2013 Chevrolet Malibu. This is an LT and it's a 2LT pack. It's loaded. Alloys, nice Goodyears on it. This vehicle has a sunroof. It's got the display screen with the backup cam, auxiliary line in, straight body, no rust on it. Extra clean, black leather, heated seats, got the avoidance package on it. Gives you the lane descent. Laser guided cruise. It's like absolutely new inside and out. Leather wrapped wheel. Super nice Malibu. This car's been serviced and safety inspected and is now ready to go. It's going to qualify for a 3-month, 4,500-mile service contract over the complete driveline, and it will guarantee credit approval program. This is your car. You can get into this car almost $995 down, starting dependent. Come on in, take it for a ride, get your free Carfax, get approved, and get rolling in your 13 Malibu today. DasBigOne.com.